If you buy a share, you're making $5, and if you have an option contract, you're making $250, right? And if you purchase a stock, okay, so let's say you purchase a share in a company. Let's use Apple as an example here, right? You can see at the start of the day, the cost of one Apple share was $225, okay? So if you wanted to invest in Apple, right, and you wanted to buy one share of Apple, here's a big difference between stock options and equity. To purchase one share of Apple, it would cost you $225, right? Pretty simple. And you can hold on to that share forever, right? You can hold on to it until that goes up to $1 million, or you can hold on to it until Apple goes bankrupt, which, you know, arguably there's no way Apple will ever go bankrupt at this point. This is pretty cool. This morning, we started at $225, and within an hour, we jumped up all the way to $230, okay? So if you owned one share of Apple, okay, and it cost you $225, you would make a whopping $5, right? Now, stock options, if you purchased a stock option, right, at the same point in that hour, it increased the contracts that we traded this morning, they increased 115%. If you buy a share, you're making $5, and if you have an option contract, you're making $250, right? So the opportunity with stock options from a short-term investing standpoint, you can make so much more with small movements, okay?